Unit 4. Bird watching. I want to go bird watching tomorrow. Do you know a good area for birds? There is a quiet park near here. There are always many beautiful birds there. Will I be able to see different types of birds in this area? Yes, I think so. If you use binoculars, you can see the birds, even if they are far away. Great! I have a book about all the different types of birds. It seems as if you really like bird watching. Yes, I do. Would you like to come with me tomorrow? No, thank you. I think bird watching is boring. That's not true. Birds are very interesting. Some birds have colorful feathers. Some birds sing beautiful songs. Some birds make special natural exits. Really? Maybe I will go bird watching one day after all.